Hello, welcome back all my Naturalista friends. Happy December 15th. Only 10 days left of our Once Upon a Farm journey. Let's see what day 15 has to offer us. The Amanzi Amal Cooperative Farm and Distillery in KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. So I probably completely butchered the name of the farm, but it's in South Africa and that's really cool. And we have orange oil, and we can see a picture of the orange on the farm there. Orange oil is obviously a citrus oil. Citrus oils are distilled from, cold pressed from the rinds of the fruit, so basically the peels. So you know, like if you're cooking with citrus and it tells you to zest it, part of the reason for that is because a lot of the flavor is in the oils, which is in the rind. So that's where citrus oils like orange come from. And we have orange. We also have Orange Vitality, which is labeled for internal use, but same. I love orange oil in my water. I love to diffuse orange oil paired with cedar wood for good sleep. I love orange in recipes. It is an extremely versatile oil. So never have too much of that. Let's see what our charm for the day is and what they have to tell us about this cooperative farm. Oops, we fell out into our bag here. It says, headquarters in the, oh my gosh, I'm going to butcher this again. I am not good with anything African. Headquartered in the Witwatersrand Hills of South Africa, the Amanzi Amal Cooperative Farm and Distillery works with local growers of South Africa to produce some of Young Living's most popular essential oils. This partnership provides the valuable instruction and resources smaller farms need to produce high-quality essential oils, while also dedicating efforts to the conscientious treatment of people, land, and natural resources. That's really cool that they're kind of like a teaching farm too. So furthering good products for growing use around the world. Oils like tea tree and grapefruit are also provided by this co-op, and we do indeed have a little orange slice on our charm here. I like these last few charms are a little bit different. You know, it's not just sprigs that are hard to tell. We got that slice of sandalwood and this little orange and the true grit. These are really cool charms. My necklace is really growing. So there you go. South Africa. We really are traveling all over the world, aren't we? Make sure you join us tomorrow when we open door number 16 and spill more wellness, purpose, abundance, and Mary.